मुखु मसिनो पेटको कपटी Too much courtesy, too much craft. Too much courtesy, too much craft. लंका मार्ने हनुमान जस पाउने ढेडु Own sows, another reaps. Own sows, another reaps. Santosham param sukham. Content is happiness. Content is happiness. लाटो लड्छ एक बल्ड्याङ बाठो लड्छ तीन बल्ड्याङ Too much cunning overreaches itself. Too much cunning overreaches itself. रातभरि रुग्यो बुढी त जिउँदै Much cry and little wool. Much cry and little wool. मचियो मचियो थचियो Great cry, little wool. Great cry, little wool. मूर्खलाई 100 कुरा बुद्धिमानलाई 1 कुरा मूर्खलाई 100 कुरा बुद्धिमानलाई 1 कुरा A ode to the wise is enough. A ode to the wise is enough. मरेको बाघको जुङ्गा ओखल्ने Flogging a dead horse. Flogging a dead horse. नमच्चिने पिङको 100 झट्का An empty vessel sounds much. An empty vessel sounds much. अन्धोको देशमा आँखा छिम्लनु लङ्गडको देशमा खुट्टा खुम्च्याउनु वा देश अनुसारको भेष कपाल अनुसारको केश Do in Rome as the Romans do. Do in Rome as the Romans do. नाच्न नजान्ने आँगन टेढो A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. A bad carpenter quarrels with his tools. दुख बिना सुख पाइँदैन No pains, no gains. No pains, no gains. हतपतको काम लतपत वा तातै खाऊँ जल्दै मरौँ Haste makes waste. Haste makes waste. ढुङ्गा खोज्दा देउता मिल्यो Think of devil and devil appears. जसको शक्ति उसको भक्ति Might is right. Might is right. जस्तो चितायो उस्तै पुग्छ Like thought, like success. Like thought, like success. जस्तो बोध उस्तै फल Like father, like son. Like father, like son. कसैले तपाईं भनोस् या नभनोस् आफै म पाइँ Self-praise is no recommendation. Self-praise is no recommendation. एक पन्थ दुई काज वा पशुपतिको यात्रा सिद्धाको व्यापार Killing two birds with one stone. Killing two birds with one stone. एक हातले ताली बज्दैन One flower makes no garland. One flower makes no garland. जहाँ इच्छा त्यहाँ उपाय वा खाने मुखलाई जुङ्गाले छेक्दैन Where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. गाई मारी गधा पोस्ने. To rob Peter to pay Paul. To rob Peter to pay Paul. खाउन्जेल आफ्नो खाइसक्यो बिरानो. Danger is past, God is forgotten. Danger is past, God is forgotten. अल्प विद्या भयंकारी. Little knowledge is dangerous. Little knowledge is dangerous. आकाशको फल आँखा तरी मर. If the sky falls, we will catch the larks. If the sky falls, we will catch the larks. आफ्नो आँको भैँसी नदेख्ने, अरूको आँको जुम्रा देख्ने. The pot calls the kettle black. The pot calls the kettle black. अगाएको भन्छ डाँडापारी खाऊ, भोकाएको भन्छ डाँडावारी खाऊ. He that is warm thinks all are so. He that is warm thinks all are so. रछान्छलाई मुखमा छिटा. Don't vex the sleeping lion. Don't vex the sleeping lion. पाहुनाको रोजी दूध भात. A beggar should not be chooser. A beggar should not be chooser. Or a gift horse is not to be looked at the mouth. A gift horse is not to be looked at the mouth. जस्तालाई त्यस्तै, ढिडालाई निस्तै. Tit for tat. Tit for tat. नानी पाउनु कहिले कहिले, कोक्रो बुन्नु अहिले. अथवा मर्नु छ कहिले, खुट्टा तान्नु अहिले. Counting the chicken before they are hatched. Counting the chicken before they are hatched. बाँदरको हातमा नरिवल. अथवा कागलाई बेल पाकेर हर्षण विस्मात. Casting poles before swine. Casting poles before swine. मन नपरेको मान्छेको सास गनाउँछ. Faults are thick when love is thin. Faults are thick when love is thin. मनको बह कसैलाई नकह. The wearer knows where the shoe pinches. The wearer knows where the shoe pinches. दुःख एक्लै आउँदैन. Adversity never comes alone. Adversity never comes alone. चोरको संगति चोर, दुष्टको संगति दुष्ट. Like draws like. Like draws like. उहिलेको कुरा खुइले वा गएको कुरा सोच्नु व्यर्थ छ. Let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. Or let the dead past bury its dead. Let the dead past bury its dead. खुकुरी भन्दा कर्द लाग्ने, बाबु भन्दा छोरो जान्ने. The young fellow is harder to deal than the older. The young fellow is harder to deal than the older. The chief is tougher than the old block. ईश्वर दाहिने भए कसको के लाग्छ. When God is kind, all are favorable. When God is kind, all are favorable. एक मागले जाडो जाँदैन. Own sallow does not makes the summer. औलो रिदा डुडुलो निल्ने. Give him an inch and he will ask for a yard. Give him an inch and he will ask for a yard. कुकुरलाई प्यारो गर्यो आफ्नै मुख चाट्छ. अथवा धेरै खाए गुड पनि तितो हुन्छ. Too much familiarity breeds contempt. Too much familiarity breeds contempt. झिँगाको श्रापले ढिङ्गा मर्दैन. Cattle do not die from crows cursing. Cattle do not die from crows cursing. एक दिनको पाहुना मिठो मिठो खा, 2 दिनको पाहुना जसो तसो खा, धेरै दिनको पाहुना जतासुतै जा. One day a guest, 2 days a guest, 3 days a pest. आफ्नो भातमा माड काडे मात्रै हुन्छ. Charity begins at home, or home first, the old afterwards. Home first, the old afterwards. ओस चाटेर तिर्खा मेटिँदैन. Fog cannot be dispelled by a fan. Fog cannot be dispelled by a fan. गाई मारी जुत्ता दान. Steal a goose and give blades in arms. धेरै बिराली मुसी नमारी. Too many cocks spoil the broth. Too many cocks spoil the broth. पानीमा बसेर गोहीसँग झगडा गर्नु. It is hard to live in Rome and strive with the Pope. नखाऊ भनी दिनभरिको शिकार, खाऊ भनी कान्छा बाउको अनुहार. Between the devil and the deep sea. Between the devil and the deep sea. 12 हात मारेर भित्ता सार्नु. To swallow a whole ox and be choked with its tail. घर पोली भण्डार सिगार्नु. He breaks his wife's hands and then buys a plaster for it. He breaks his wife's hand and then buys a plaster for it. दशा बाजा बजाएर आउँदैन. Death keeps no calendar. Death keeps no calendar. प्रत्येकका दिन फर्किन्छन् अथवा टुक्राका दिन फर्किन्छन्. Every dog has its day. Every dog has its day. धनले दुःख टर्दैन. A crown is no cure for headache. A crown is no cure for headache. नजिकको तीर्थ हेला. Distance drum sounds well. Distance drum sounds well. अकबरी सुनलाई कसी लगाउनु पर्दैन. An axiom requires no proofs. An axiom requires no proofs. Or pure gold fear no flame. Or pure gold fears no flame. पाप धुरीबाट कराउँछ. God sees the truth but waits. God sees the truth but waits. ऋण दिनु शत्रु कमाउनु. Give loan enemy own. Give loan enemy own. हावा नलागी पात हल्लिँदैन. There is no smoke without fire.